Hey guys, this is Chris with K Sales Trucks right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma at Rush Truck Center. I wanted to talk to y'all today about none other than fleet spec trucks. A lot of guys have fleet spec trucks. Some like different brands, some like different transmissions, some like different motors. I feel like I've got something here for y'all that might fit just everybody's needs. So we're talking about low mileage 2021s, Peterbilt 579s. I've also got some 22s, but today we're talking about our 21s. So they're super low mileage, number one. Number two, I've got Cummins and PACCAR motors. Number three, I have 12-speed automatic endurance. Number four, I have 264 gear ratio. Pull about pretty much anything that you want as far as general freight goes. For a fleet spec truck, that's pretty awesome gear ratio. Wanted to kind of show you around this truck real quick. And if y'all have any questions, any concerns, any thoughts about pricing, or if you want to make one of these or all of these part of your fleet today, give me a call, 918-984-8705. Thanks again. So guys, without further ado, take a look at these. They're in pretty immaculate condition for being a 21. You've got Continental fronts on some of them, not all of them, but some of them. Just kind of let them speak for themselves for a minute here. You do have a side step there as well with a grab handle. Don't want any of you guys falling off the truck or anything like that. All aluminum wheels, Alcoas, disc brakes, low air leaf. These do have a slidable fifth wheel. They are Jost fifth wheels. They're sitting on 295, 75R, 225s. Grass burner exhaust. Very nice, very clean trucks. Again, if you want to make one of these or all of these part of your fleet today, give me a call, 918-984-8705. Again, this is Chris with K Sales Trucks. Over and out.